Good morning, everybody. It is 7 a.m. We're doing a volcano, waterfall, hot springs tour, 12 hours. Had some fruit for breakfast. Got my backpack. GoPro is wet from the jump yesterday. Supposed to be water resistant, not. We'll see how this works throughout the day. Hopefully I can stay. The extender still works though. Beautiful morning here. Outskirts of La Fortuna. Let's go have some fun.
Make it. I spent the whole day trying. Tell me if you see anything. Okay.
Oh, I can't wait to drown this. On the way. I'll let you do your thing.
I am still on it.
My football, I mean soccer. Big fan. You need to go in there. Then it's going to be a 3 a.m. party. Every day. So you don't have to do that. So see you right himself, bro. Party?
After the hike, made it down. Time to go in the waterfall, y'all. Let's go have some fun. Vamos a la playa. 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, Ava, throw it.
Yeah?
So beautiful. Unbelievable. This is what life is all about.
They're going to give us a drink, which is a combination of sugar cane, pineapple, and corn. In their language known as machaca.
When I'm looking at it, you find like this, it's like cows, but guys.
Nice and warm. Yes, thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Gracias, gracias. Pura vida, muchas gracias.
Afucha por Irichia.
Muy bien.
Ah,
De nuevo, más fuerte.
it was good. Very good, I would say. We are going to do it once again, this time louder.
La cachi.
Lakachi.
Banca.
Alka.
Poikin.
Poikin.
Afufato irichia.
Afucha por Irichia.
Salud.
Cheers! So, you remember we were saying 1, 2, 3, cheers.
Apple juice.
What you just had, it was the most poison drink you can have in Costa Rica. Oh, that's because
Non solo il y a une
Ice cream fruit. Cheers. Oh, no one has it.
don't eat it warm. Do not eat the one with the worm.
That's very good.
He just nutted.
Sorry, that was good. Whenever I travel, try to buy local, eat local, support local. So I got these indigenous masks. This one's for my parents. You got the panther, the butterfly. This one's for me. Got the owl, EDC Insomniac, and the leopard, the tiger, Vicious. Very cool. Good mementos. Hopefully I can get this back in my bag. I'll find a way to, of course, take it. But it's very cool.
This area, I have no place in it, so we can go to the other side. Here's Christian. Christian has. You see Christian have?
Welcome to
373.
It's not electrical, it's just barbed wire.
You risked it. Yeah.
Ribeye?
Ribeye?
We picked the right tour guide.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Pay attention because they're around here.
Wait for me.
I'll take it. I'll go one-handed catch on camera. Nope. Backhand fail.
Just hit me in the head.
I feel like
You
someone
want
wants to take his picture.
Thank
you so much.
Oh my God!
Oh my God. He's going down.
Hey, we need a tour guide still.
Yeah.
You want the rest of this or no?
Step up.
I want this. I want this.
Get it.
Moldy green.
can't imagine when Grandpa came to live this part. One thing about back in the time, Costa Rican government allowed people to come from the side and make their own life. What does that mean? Just come live in the wood center, no one else was living. Take up the land until your eyes can see. You get back. After a time, land becomes yours. The only explanation I have for you, my friends, how these people got 10 acres. Nowadays, there's no money to pay this land. Ah, there's people all over the world with a lot of money, but in Costa Rica, for me,
That hike, amazing volcano, to the waterfall. Now we're at the hot springs, y'all. Let's get it. Hot spring center. Everyone's leaving while we're coming. I don't know if that's good or bad.
Wait, our typical.
Monday morning, still have a week ahead of me. Now I'm going to Tamarindo, which is the beach city. I'm leaving La Fortuna. Last view of the volcano. This place has been amazing. Hot springs, the hiking, waterfall, volcano, of course. There's so much more to do here. I will be coming back here. There's so much more hiking we're gonna do, animals to see. We saw sloths, so much stuff. Cool hotel. Now it's time to go to the beach, surf, relax, read, tan. Let's have a road trip. About 4-hour drive and we'll hit the beach.